Hyderabad is running, roofs leaking, homes getting damaged. But do you know, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught us du'as for protection in such scenarios. When the rain was excessive, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to say, Allahumma hawalayna wala alayna. O Allah, around us and not upon us. And Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught us to seek Allah's protection from drowning. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to say, Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-hadmi wa a'udhu bika min al-taraddi wa a'udhu bika min al-gharaqi wal-haraqi. So next time when the rain pour down, seek Allah's protection, because protection does not only comes from strong walls, it comes from strong faith.